as you can see, I'm reaching halfway through with my makeup, but something really important is missing. The nose contour. I love to use nose contour because I love my nose from the side, but from the front I feel like it could be a little slimmer, so that's why I love to use nose contour. And today I'm gonna teach you how I'm doing it. Just keep in mind everyone has a different kind of nose, so my technique wouldn't like really work with maybe a different kind of nose, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna show my way. So I already applied some concealer and I didn't set it yet because I'm gonna start with a cream contour. Normally when I'm like in a rush, I don't use cream contour, I only use powder, but today we're gonna use with cream contour. I also normally use the Huda Beauty one, but I don't remember the name to be honest, but you probably know which one I mean. So today I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Way Liquid Concealer in the color Dark Bronze 50. I don't know if there's an alarm outside. Can you guys hear that? Is that alarm? I mean, it's in my house, but I use not that much. Like the other one is so much easier. It's like so easy blendable. I don't know if that does make sense. I already uploaded a nose contour video, even two I think. Oh wait, I have to apply concealer again. I already have a nose contour video online, but I didn't really explain much and it's not that good like how I do it now, to be honest. So I'm gonna apply the dark color here. The problem with my nose is that like I have like a little tip like that goes a little bit down, so that's the thing where I'm like, I want to take the focus from that. Years ago I would pull the line completely down, which I'm not doing anymore. Of course I'm trying to still go with the natural shade, especially with my studio lights. I can see like where I need to apply contour, and like with the natural lighting and shading. Yo, that alarm is kind of triggering. Okay, and now the other side. I also didn't sleep much yesterday, I think you can see that. Okay, like that. That's like literally the contour I want. Or the nose that I want. Let's keep it like that. Damn, it's, to be honest, it's really hard to explain it in English. Like I can talk about normal subjects, but when it comes to makeup, it's like really hard because I don't know. I normally would never explain it, you know. So that's like not a common way I would talk about it, you know. You know, I also learned English from my past relationships. I don't know if you guys knew that, but it was like a long distance relationship. He was from the Netherlands and we would always like speak in English, so that's why it really improved my English. Okay, this thing is not that good blendable, to be honest. It's really annoying. Oh my god, I found a new concealer for myself. This concealer, they sent it like a PR package from Kat Von D. To be honest, I don't really use Kat Von D products, but this concealer, damn, I really like it because it is pretty, like the coverage is really good, but it's really light and the wand is really funny. It's like that. And I had to say, I like it. Like my favorite concealer would be the Too Faced Bonus Wave Concealer. It's still the bomb, but this one is also really good. Okay, now I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer to contour. I'm also gonna apply a little bit on my eyes because then these under eye bags. Now I'm gonna blend it out. I'm also gonna go, like I said, with the concealer over the a bit over the contour because it was a bit too harsh. To be honest, it works better with the Huda one. I don't like it that much with that one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's already a light contour. Now I'm gonna set my nose and also my under eyes. And then we're gonna move on to the powder part, because I feel like the powder part is the most important part. That's what I always would do. I'm gonna use the Mercier setting powder. Okay, everything is set. I'm gonna contour my cheeks. You guys don't have to see that really. And I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I zoomed in a little bit. I'm gonna also apply my contour. Now it's for the final part, which is important, okay? Now we're gonna go to the step what I always do, like for nose contour normally without the cream contour. But like I said, I feel like it looks a bit better when you have that fundament of cream contour. When I'm in a rush, I always use the Le bronzing powder, because I'm using it, you know, for my cheeks and everything. So I'm like, okay, never mind, I'm also going to use it for that. But of course it's better when you use a little bit ashier colors. And now I have like from Too Faced that contour. I have that since years, but they have that contour. I also had like a little thing from that, but I don't know what it is. It's medium cacao. It's like kind of grayish. Can you guys see that? Yeah. The brush is like kind of like flat. You guys can see that. It's like kind of like flat and fluffy. So we're gonna dip in that. Then like that's the part where I also don't like blend it out. I always keep it like that, to be honest. It always works out for me. Okay, now we have that. Now we're gonna dip again in the contour, and we're gonna go to the same lines that we did before with the cream contour, but of course this time with the powder one. And normally if I wouldn't have the cream contour one, I would let you, like I said, would do the same step what I'm doing right now, but without the cream contour. Okay, as you can see, now it looks better without like looking too, okay, it's still harsh, but you guys get what I mean, right? Okay, so I think we're kind of done with the powder one. It's really so much easier when you already have like the cream contour. I didn't do it for such a long time, now I just realized it, trust me. Okay, now we did that, but it's still a bit harsh, you know? So that's like my bronzing brush. And I dip my beauty blender in my setting powder again. And now we're gonna apply it here, like, wait, I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna explain what I did. I think you guys get it. Can you see, like, I applied like on the sides, like you can still see the contour a bit, but not everything. Normally I do that, and while it's sitting, I'm doing like my eye makeup and this and that, but since we kind of changed everything, I'm also gonna swoop it away real quick, but I'm gonna work it in, you know? You guys can see like I'm pressing it in. I use my bronzing brush again. I'm swooping everything away. When I feel like the lines are still too harsh, I'm using my beauty blender with the powder and concealer a little bit and go over it. Like I said, that's my literally favorite highlighter. It's also so broken and so used, I swear. That's the only highlighter I would literally buy again. I'm gonna put like a little dot. If you want like Bella Hadid kind of style, you can do like this kind of thing. Let's do it today, okay? Normally I don't do that. Normally I just do a dot, but and now just a little line. Remember where you put the highlighter in? That's like the thing that reflects, and people gonna see that. So I'm also using like a flat brush because I can work precisely with that. And that's it, my friends. I'm gonna put some color. I hope you guys like my little nose contour video, because that was the first time that I could like explain a little bit more. But I'm still figuring out what kind of content I'm gonna do. Here's my nose again. I think there's a little difference, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope we're gonna see each other in my next video, and bye.